never seen before.
Huh.
Just doom scrolling on TikTok when I see him.
Uh-huh. Nice.
He knows I'm on the game, bro. It's watching me and shit.
Seriously though. I've heard a lot of people telling me about that. That it'll suggest stuff from like listening to what your conversations are.
Damn, bro. Fuse facility. Alright, Connie's up. Somewhere.
Leyland's on me. He's running to the door over here. He's still running, still running. He's going underneath Grandpa's shack, slamming the door. Oh, what? How did I not open the door? Damn, he got me. He's going to cold room, I think.
Connie was
Yeah.
left. I knew it. Oh, I got her.
There's two in cold room. I don't know what this Danny's doing.
Connie, Weld, Tool.
I got the Danny.
I'd be able to get this Connie, actually.
Okay. Still in execution animation.
That's what, 3 dead? Oh yeah.
Did you get Connie?
On the left, bro. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alrighty then. She has 1,000 points though. I'll go check Jen.
It's bad.
Oh, yep.
Oh no.
They're on Jen. Should have this door open too. No, this is still locked. Is that one locked too? Yep, both these are locked.
She got a door.
Yeah, right Gen door.
No, she just picked another one. Oh, she did the other door and got out. They always do that shit.
Yeah, wait, didn't they do that last game or whatever? Like a couple games ago?
Yeah.
She going, well?
I don't know. Oh, she just voice line. She's in this bush.
Over here? Oh, yeah.
Don't.
Nice. Oh, how does she not get poisoned there? What?
She popped her ability. Oh my gosh, I'm missing everything.
Yeah, it's all good.
Now you're cooked. Oh.
What
Dude,
the?
I canceled the grapple.
Wait, what happened?
It made her. Bro,
Did she
I
die?
don't know.
Oh,
Yeah,
she died.
she's dead. It like stopped the grapple, and it made her stab Grandpa instead of me.
Yeah, sometimes it's weird like that.
Like the top players that played back then were like Info, Frames, or Frame. Mainly Info. He's known as like, I don't want to dick ride, but people call him the brain of TCM just because he made up a lot of the plays that people do, and they still do them.
Really?
He left a while ago. He stopped playing, but he'll pop in every now and then just to see what's happening.
Nice, dude.
Well, that's Jay too. You should have kept him alive.
Oh yeah, I didn't even know that that was the person. Shit, I forgot. I was like, wait. I just chase the first person I see, so I saw the Virginia. I mean, she has a bright red ass dress, so
Bro, that dress is like she be getting frisky or something with that dress. That shit, it's so
serious,
short. Like,
serious.
do anything you can see like her fucking butt, bro. It's crazy.
Oh, Connie's on me too. Hit her 4 times, 3 times. Leyland's over here too. This back corner. I don't know. Yeah, they're going over the barriers. Leyland's fighting me. Connie's over here too.
That's how my friend Wop used to say his name, Leland. Like, what was it? Was it like Leyland? Something like
Leyland.
that.
Ooh, nice. The Connie's over here too. She's, oh yeah, back corner over here. She's running. She went over the barrier. She's going over the barrier. Poisoned. Oh, she is so fucking dead. Bro. Shit. Damn, bro. Holy shit. Thing is, I need to get better at landing my hits. Because even in the basement there, with Sissy, I was like missing a lot of my hits. Oh, one's on me, backstabbing. Damn, that was crazy. The Connie ran, yeah, over there. We can keep chasing Connie. Shit, I'm stuck in this. I don't know where she went. Okay, oh, she's over there. Okay. Oh, that's nice having to cook. The Leyland barged me. This fucking guy, bro. Nice. Leyland's run past chicken. He's going up into the middle of the pipes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, he's running the other way. I will go the other way. Is he bullying my Bubba? Oh, did he go through this crack? They might have... They have a door open? I think they do. Alright, we might want to go up top, I think, now. Yep, they got this open, okay. Alright, let's go back up. Go, go, go. I think our Leatherface DC'd? Nope, he did not. But one's in the basement, okay, Leyland's still. Oh, he went to the well, that's why. So, who else? Okay, Anna has pawns. she's in the middle. Okay. Is she coming down or is she still up there? Oh, she's going over here. Anna's going to the sandbags on the left gen. She's going towards it. She went down the well. Nice. I'll go check battery side. It's in the basement, okay. God, I am teleporting, what the fuck? So one's in the basement. Kind of feel like I should go basement, but alright, I'm gonna go basement. Try to see if I can flush some of them out. Maybe poison some healing down here. Ooh, the whistling. Do, 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 do. It's actually creepy as fuck. Yeah, they have like every exit open down here. I do not see anybody down here. Oh, there is one. Virginia, hello. How are you? Fuck. Dude, how does that... Dude. This game is so buggy. Bruh. That should have hit. It usually does hit. Oh. is up with my stamina always going away anytime he's around? What the fuck? Oh, one's over here in sewers, right in front of me. Virginia's running back into the mill. Oh, nope, she's coming to the front of the mill. Right battery. Running to the well on battery side. She's going down the well. I don't know how that misses. she goes down the well and then DCs. Yeah. GG, dude.